Here we have our zucchini and squash mound. And we're gonna pick one of these zucchinis today. No, not with that, with the bucket, Sylvia. You can see, not to make you too dizzy here, that big beautiful thing right there. We're gonna pick it. Okay. Now over here.
Sylvia, she doesn't want you playing with the water.
That's the cucumbers right there.
The answer is no.
And you can see some cute little cucumbers there. And over here we have the cantaloupe, which are doing really good. You can see some there. All through here. A whole bunch of those. Okay. And we have some tomatoes there and lettuce. And some spinach. And these are Justin's peppers. Here we have the peas, which the deer aren't bothering the peas too much, are they?
There's nothing to eat.
And then there's the pole beans, and the deer keep trimming them down for us. You can see here how it's all trimmed off there. So we don't know if we'll get anything there. Then we have some tomatoes that are also getting trimmed by the deer every night. And so that's that. Oh, but I have to show her the sunflower. Sylvia, can you come stand by the sunflower? So Grandma can see how tall it is?
Hey,
wow.
stop.
Wow. Thank you, Sylvia. And then, of course, we have those beautiful wild flowers that we planted there. Doing really good. Goes up and up and up and up and up. There's the kids in the tree house. Hey Regina. Oh, there's Aiden. Now say thank you.
Thank you.
For what?
For $10.
It was $5.
$5.
Yeah. And a card.